Bad me bad, outside.
Shoot out her head. She call me the Godfather.
Yeah, me like you, I want it to me like you. You're my friend, you're my shot, you're my killer, you're my boy. Even though you're sexy, you're full of attitude.
Pretty mommy, don't worry, me want you to back it up. Make me happy whenever you cock it up. In a traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You ain't see me, you have to go down me job.
And you say like coffee like me a bong snider. Shotty rum ram, cup and pot. Quart and quart, we have cup and quart.
I need you in the morning. It's pretty thing, nice to meet you.
Hey guys, come with me to Papi Chulos. Let's go. Did you see that? Their own branded water.
Tryna make you my number one. Tryna make you my number.
Usually stay to myself, attachments got to hell, been alone, full forever. You put me under spell, frozen eyes start to melt, things might change in the behavior. Girl, I can't turn away from you, I got what I can do.
Anything you say. Oh no, no, she did.
Guys, look at this burrito. So, it's your girl Niefa Rich if you're new here. And if you're returning, welcome back. Guys, today we are going to, well, I hope we get there. But we are on our way to the football match. It's Jamaica against Curacao. And this is to see if they'll qualify for the World Cup. So,
Baby, drop your pin right now. Outside, come make a link right now, right now. We'll be broken all the laws right now. Yeah. Why we ain't coming, just drive out.
To the record, me never seen nobody like that. Me on my, she want to give me wine, not good, make you really want to bring it right back.
We outside, road life, yo puffy down. Bust down when me call it. Ice freeze, girl a drink cause she on it. You got the money to call me. Love the vet, but we need a Ferrari. You can't buy a lane in my dog.
I'm on the lad, I'm a finger. Head mad, no bumbuck. Man laugh, if my people time, me come on the first laugh.
Yeah, like this.
Flashing it. Ball roll money. You got everything.
No, sir. Babe, in liquor blood clot, so mommy have left you really drink it.
look how long I have something on my hand you never had.
Are you riding?
Guys, I'm hungry. Nothing is funny right now.
If you can, for the national anthem of Curacao.
Girl, pa me snap, me a sip penny and she a lick. So she want breathe one look at my eye. She don't know why.
Me and date two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same coin. Might end up in some problem. Just give up on the bed.
The rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up, it's pamphlet time, cool running!
Inside from Ronaldo, Stefa's looking for body read.
If any call back, she said get the close. If I can't make it fun, then the time don't come.
We Jaffa music, we Jaffa. Give me a like me Anna. What's wrong with you? Disaster. Ain't no games, ain't no games.
Just relax your mind. It's a
sensational.
Come, the broth, the broth.
I took a
the inter-federation play.
This is something alright.
That the coming together, he deemed worthy of a penalty. Now, there is no
Review that.
towards the bottom. Touch too heavy. That's off throw.
Anyways, guys, it's a new day and my friend picked me up, so we're going to the beach. Guys, this beach is so pretty. Like, it's like far. It's in Draxall. It's not far, but it's like in a little area where no one would expect a beach to be. It's so private and just relaxing. You know, I like it here.
She call me the Godfather.
Yeah, me like you, you want it to me like you. I'm a friend, yeah, I'm a shot, yeah, I'm a killer, yeah, I'm a boy. Even though you're sexy, you're full of attitude.
Pretty mommy, don't worry, my wife will pack it up. Make me happy whenever you cock it up. In a traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You ain't see me happy, go down me job.
And me sell a coffee like beer bum snack. Chatty rum rap, cup and pot. Quart and quart, we have cup and quart. If you're rum for this in a jelly, make it pan clock.
Listen, usually stay to myself. Attachments got to hell, been alone full forever. You put me under spell, frozen eyes start to melt, things might change in the behavior.
Are at
I can't turn away from you. I got one up.
they're not listening.
Anything you say. Oh no, no, she tell me she freaky, cause she right up. And she no play, she would broke up. Me tell her, so when she hear something about something, I'm in love, kid that a drop in that.
Baby, drop your pin right now. Outside, come make a link right now, right now. We'll be broken on the last right now. Why we coming just drive out?
To the record, me never seen nobody like that. Me on my, she want to get me wine that good, make you really want to bring it right back.
We outside, road life, yo puffy down. Bust tongue when me call it. Ice freeze, girl a drip cause she honey. Quicker the money to call me. Love the Benz but me need a Ferrari. You can't violate none of my dog.
Me love, I'm on the lad in my finger. Head mad no bumbo. My love, people time me jump on the first half.
Yeah, like beer, before me get first night here, I swear. But I'm on the put in the one name.
Guys, who's this? She finally come here. Guys, so we ordered jerk chicken and rice and peas with veg, and this is my view while I'm eating.
Me and the two people at the same time. Just weighing my options.
Just take me.
Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in a some problem. Just him up on the bed, I him up on the ground. Keep on coming back because of how you make my mouth. If your name call pan, this I get little cloud. If you can't make it fun, then the time don't count.
Mine's me drop. Guys, so today we're getting our hair done finally. Okay guys, so she cane rolled my hair first, and this is it. Don't want to black pepper them. Yeah, but let's go.
I can't turn away from you. I got what I can do.
Anything you say. Oh no, no, she tell me she freaky, cause she right up. And she no play, she would broke up. Me tell her, so when she hear something about something, I'm in love, kid that a drop in that.
Baby, drop your pin right now. Outside, come make a link right now, right now. We'll be broken on the last right now. Why we coming just drive out?
To the record, me never seen nobody like that. Me on my, she want to get me wine that good, make you really want to bring it right back.
We outside, road life, yo puffy down. Bust tongue when me call it. Ice freeze, girl a drip cause she honey. Quicker the money to call me. Love the Benz but me need a Ferrari. You can't violate none of my dog.
Me love, I'm on the lad in my finger. Head mad no bumbo. My love, people time me jump on the first half.
Yeah, like beer, before me get first night here, I swear. But I'm on the put in the one name. While as them a criminal and alien brain.
Them
got no cash. Broke what you have, what you know about squash. What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch. I be a me put on the block. Poof, poof, poof. Why you a laps? Them gal pa me snap. Me a sip penny and she a lick.
So she want breathe one look at my eye. She don't know.
Me and date two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same coin. Might end up in some problem. Just give up on the bed, I give up on the ground. Keep on coming back because of how you make my mouth. If your name called bandits, I get little clout. If you can't make it fun, then the time don't count. Yeah.
Which offer music, which offer. Have me ever bad like Rihanna. Post one picture and a disaster, yeah.
Guys, what are you thinking? I like it, but I don't at the same time. The only reason is because I feel like it doesn't suit me, but it suits me. I don't know if it makes sense, but okay. It's cute though. Big up braided by Kiki. Guys, who is this? A bitch is back. Don't do it. I came back from the hairdresser like 5 hours ago, and I wanted you guys to let me know if you like my new hair. It needs to grow on me a little bit, but I think it's cute. Okay, let me know though. Anyways, life updates. How is business? How is my life as an adult? Obviously, as you may all know, or some of you know, if you must know, I mean, well, some of you guys already know that.
Have you ever had a dream that you
guys already know that I had moved here to start my business. I moved from the UK to Jamaica, and yeah, I came here to start a vending machine business, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I've gotten 2 places to place them already, so yeah, I'm doing my little thing, and I decided to pursue life as a content creator because I do love it. I mean, like, especially YouTube, like, it means so much to me. Like, YouTube is where I see my growth as a person, as an adult, and you know, navigating life, and I love that for me. And again, thank you for 1K. Go and tell a friend.